Hello, students. I will be doing section 5.3, which is called factoring trinomials with a leading coefficient of 1. Okay, let's start with our multiplying. We did FOIL method. We've been doing FOIL method for quite some time now, since 4-1, 4-2, 4-4, 4-6. Just kind of building up to your timetables and when to add exponents and when to divide and when to multiply. Okay, so here let's just for an example, x plus 6x plus 6. All right, we already talked about taking x times x is x squared. Okay, now taking the x here, x times 6x is 6x. Remember, this is a 1. We're only doing our timetables. So 1 times 6 is 6. Bring down your x. Okay. Now I've did 1x times x and 1x times 6. Now I'm taking the 6 times here. Remember, this is a 1, just in case you need a reminder. 6 times 1 is a 6, and bring down your x. And then we're going to multiply 6 times 6, all right, which is 36. So a positive times a positive is a positive. Okay, next we are going to combine like terms. 6 plus 6 is 12x, okay, plus 36. Okay, so that was just like a refresher review from what we've been doing. Okay, next I want you to factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, now when you see this trinomial, all right, I want you to think of two of your timetables that we can multiply to get 6. I want to take those same two numbers, add them together, and get 5. Okay, so here, 2 times 3 gives me 6, right? Take those same numbers in the same order. Is 2 plus 3 5? Absolutely. So here, x goes here and x goes here. And now I want you to put 2 and 3. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay? We're going like almost like the backwards version of foiling, the FOIL method, first, outer, inner, last. It's like we have the answer and we're going backwards trying to figure out what are the terms. Okay, that's it. No biggie. Okay, don't get stressed. Y squared plus 5y plus 4. So y squared is y times y. Okay, all right, same method over and over again. Two numbers that I can multiply to get 4, but I need to be able to take those same two numbers and get 5. Well, Ms. Thomas, I want to do 2 times 2. Yes, but if you put a 2 and a 2 here, we have to put a 2 and a 2 here. Is 2 plus 2 5? No. So you know that will not work. So let's try 4 times 1. That's part of my timetables. Okay, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. All right, so these are positive. So you're going to put plus 1 and plus 4 in the blank. That's it, y plus 1 and y plus 4. Okay, so here, next one, x squared plus x minus 12. I was giving you an opportunity to at least get it down and see can you get it correct. So I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, I'm hoping that you have at least written down x times x. Two numbers that when I multiply, I get a negative 12. Those same two numbers can give me a 1. All right. Well, 4 times 3, okay, that'll give me 12. And if I do 4 minus 3, that'll give me 1. So you know that the 4 and the 3 can possibly work, but how can I get it to be a positive 1? Well, you got to make sure that the biggest number is positive. Okay, meaning if you had said, well, Ms. Thomas, why can't I make this a negative? If you'd have put -4 plus 3 in a calculator, it would have gave you a -1, and you need a +1. So you need to make sure that the bigger number is larger. Okay, so here I use +4 and -3 to factor. Okay, so not bad at all. Okay, this wasn't a huge section now. For E, I want you to factor x squared minus 4x plus 6. Okay, x goes here and x goes here. Okay, all right, well, two numbers that I can multiply to get 6, you're looking at the last number, and two numbers that I can add together to get the middle, which is -4. Okay, well, I'm thinking about either 6 times 1. Nope, Miss Thomas, that is not going to work. Okay, what about, will 2 times 3 work? Because I have to get a 6 and I have to get a -4. No, Miss Thomas, this doesn't work. This is called prime. Miss Thomas, everything I have tried has not worked. Okay, will not work. Absolutely not. Okay, let's move to the next one. If it won't work, it won't work. Okay, factor -3ax squared plus 9a minus 6a. Well, first, I don't like that negative sticking out in front. So let's stick the negative out in front. But let me change the signs. Okay, make that +3a. Make this -a. Make this +6ax. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out how can I make this work. All right. I always look to see, do I have anything in common I can factor out? Well, I see a 3 at least, and at least an A. And I want you to do your factor tree because I want you to get more familiar with what to do. Okay, remember the negative was sticking out in front. Okay, so I'm looking for, all right, I need 3ax to the second power. Well, I have -3a, but I don't have x squared. I don't have that, okay? Plus 9, so I need a negative time a negative, but that'll give me a positive. And what I need 9, so 3 times what is 9? 3. Okay, I need an a, I have an a. Okay, so far so good. Next, I need this -6ax. All right, well, a negative times a positive is a negative. Okay, so here I'm looking at my time table. 3 times what is 6? 2. I need an a, I have an a. Here, I need an x. Oh, I don't have an x here, so bring down your x right there. Okay, and even though this is jumbled up and not in the correct order, it's still something to work with. X squared plus 2x minus 3. I'm just trying to clean it up and see. Just trying to see. Okay, well, because it just seems as though it was in the wrong order.